All right, got that out. Got that out. Had to get the. I ain't got time for this 5,000. That's the. I ain't got time for this 5,000. Get that out. After I got through grinding all those off, but this is here. Now my frame is not. It's raked all the way down, so I'm about to level this off and see, because this is actually the way the frame is going in real life. But if I do it like this way to the frame, it's kind of going perpendicular to the frame. But we shall see. We're going to check it out real quick and get this shit rolling. And once I get this side down, I'll probably time lapse the other side and show you how I did it, how it's done. Somebody come get this damn thing. Oh, okay. Well, all right. Oh, let's get it. All right. Pretty damn level for a DIY novice. Yeah. In there. Sitting there. It's pretty level, but this frame's not level. But this frame's not level, but it's almost level right now. Once I ain't gonna level this side, I laid it back down in the front, so these jack stands are probably uneven in the back. But yep, she looking good. This one tweaked in on me when it cooled off a little bit, but I'm gonna straighten that out with that one. But gotta do some more finish welding. But she's all tagged in pretty good. She holding up on her own weight. Ready for 4-link time. That Magnum is getting a big block in it. Ain't that right, Jose? Yeah. Super huge big block. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's getting a big block in that bit, dog. 707 cubic inches.
Listen, I would throw that fucking motor in the trash and I want a 440.
Do it.
Someone already did, so I know it fits.
But I thought you put in the 707 cubic inch.
Hey, listen, I put a 440.
Chrysler in there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, now I'm gonna get ready to get this finished up, welded, and you're gonna get on the frame. Clean it up, take the swap off, clean all the front end up, get the frame rusted off, all the old shit out of it, and get it looking pretty. That's the next step after the 4-link pieces get welded and the boxes get welded in. So, on to the next one. All right, I'm done today. I'm done today. She tightened in. She tightened in. I don't know, Jose listen to some kind of Muslim music. Oh, got the little booger welds on it. Now it's time to go home. Uh-oh, she notched. She's notched. She's notched. All right, we out. Can't believe the time lapse on the thing when I did it didn't work, so the camera was off the whole time, so now I'm irritated. But she's not. She's back down on the front casters. So no jack stands up or nothing, but all right, we out.